Yo, what's up yo? It's me again, PJ yo, and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So, sa mga first time na makapanood sa channel ko, my name is PJ and I'm from Cebu, Bisaya, Cubay. And I make videos about mga productivity tips, how to improve yourself, about mga money tips, about mga money making, mga sideline guys, extra income, ayan. And of course, we also have some travel vlogs, food vlogs, and mga movie reviews, and a lot more. So, if you are interested with those kind of stuff guys, I suggest that you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and of course hit that notification bell so you will be updated of my latest videos. Yon, diba? So subscribe now guys, subscribe, yon. So for tonight guys, before I go to sleep, we will do some unboxing. Yon, diba? So today I received this package from Lazada, kumbaga, diba? So this is like a gift for myself guys. I made, wait, nag-record ba ni? Anyway guys, I'm checking if nag-record ba to, nagre-record ba yung other camera ko, my GoPro, so that you can see the contents of this Lazada package. So I ordered guys, this is a gift for myself. I ordered a gimbal, a mobile gimbal, so it's a gimbal for phone. So I ordered etong in-order ko is MOZA Mini S, diba? It's a 3-axis kumbaga gimbal for mobile phones, yon, diba? Because if you have seen my other videos, especially if I'm walking and I'm taking videos of the sceneries, like example yung mga beach na napuntahan ko, ganun, of course mga mountainside, kumbaga, diba? And mga all stuff of sceneries guys. If you can see, if I'm walking, I mean naglalakad, medyo shaky yung camera na, kasi yung usually na ginagamit ko is just my hand. Yung kamay lang ginagamit ko guys, medyo ano tawag dyan, pasmado, you know, diba? Hardworking ko, no? Anyway guys, we'll just do a quick unboxing guys. This is not a review because actually this is my first time owning a gimbal, kumbaga. So first time kong mag-open and first time akong I will try to use the gimbal guys, because of course to improve the quality of my videos pod, so that you guys can appreciate more, and of course para mag-subscribe mo guys, yon, diba? So without further ado guys, I'll open this package from Lazada, and wait, I'll check the video if it's running. So yeah, it's now running guys, so we'll open this package from Lazada, yun. So medyo excited talaga ako guys, actually. Medyo nag-ipon pa tayo, di ba, para we have budget for this gimbal, kumbaga, because gusto ko na talagang bumili, di ba? So yun, as a gift for myself, di ba? Why not this Christmas, di ba? Why not buy something that we can use, di ba? Kumbaga, so ito guys, bubble wrap. Maraming gusto magpaputok ng mga bubbles nito, I know. Anyway, yun guys, napansin ko kasi medyo shaky yung videos ko, and may nakapagsabi sa akin na, actually yung brother ko, sabi niya na why not buy gimbal daw, kasi it will make my videos somehow professional looking ko, no, di ba? Professional looking ba? Anyway, yun. So, yun. Nakita ko kasi sale sa Lazada, guys. I bought this like for 2,950. Yun. So, this is the box, guys. Yun. The box. Show it to you, guys. There. So, yun. Nakaseal pa siya, guys. Maayos yung pagkakaseal niya. So, we'll open this. Guys. Ano yung laman? So unboxing lang to talaga guys, kasi hindi talaga ako, not familiar talaga ako guys kung paano gumamit ng gimbal. So I still have to learn, kumbaga, di ba? So yun, maybe in my next videos guys, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko ginamit yung gimbal. So, ito na guys. Yan. Nabuksan na. Anyway. So this is my first time guys unboxing. Ito. MOZA Mini S. So this is essential for vlogging guys. So if you would like to make more professional looking videos, it's very easy to use daw ha, sabi nila guys. So I will try. Maybe some other day guys. So for now, it's just simple unboxing, diba? So eto guys. Ito yung laman niya guys. Ano ba to? First is the ano ba to? Chinese kasi guys. Ito yung instruction niya, manual. May manual guys. So later ko na to babasahin guys. So first time ko some sticker. Yan. And first is itong may cable siya guys. So this is the Type-C cable and this is the regular cable, USB cable, I mean Type-C. So I guess this is for charging, kumbaga, di ba? So guys, for charging to, malamang sa malamang, di ba? Tapos ito, yun. So may pouch siyang kasama guys. Yung pouch to. Ito. Yun. Diba? So ito guys, ito yung laman niya. Sa pouch. Pouch guys. Lalagyan ng ating MOZA Mini S. Yun. And ano pa ba? Meron pa siyang this one is the 3.5mm jack, and this is the I think mini USB cable. So I think this is to connect your cell phone, your mobile phone, to the gimbal. So maybe to control your cell phone without using the Bluetooth, I think. Yun. So yun. Ano pa ba? Ito, ano ba to? Do not eat. So huwag daw kainin to guys. Do not eat. And so far, yun. Ito. Saan natin to guys? Ano ba to? So ito guys. I think this is the stand. Yun. Stand. Tripod. I mean, tripod guys. Ayos to. So, ano pa ba? I think, yun na yun guys. It's the gimbal na. The gimbal itself. Ito na yung pinaka-item natin. So, ito guys. MOZA Mini S. So, hindi ko pa alam siya gamitin guys ha. So, we'll play this some other time. So, for today, we'll just unbox it. So, ito, so far, ito yung laman niya guys. Yung box, medyo, ito, yung box niya, yung gimbal, ayan, yung gimbal. So yun guys, yun yung laman niya guys. Ano ba yung una? Sa mga cables, some cables, ito, for charging, and I think this is the one connecting your gimbal to your cell phone, diba? Without the Bluetooth, I think. And yon. So, and of course, ang tripod stand, yon. So, susubukan natin mamaya, guys. Bibidyohan ko, guys, kung paano ko siya pinatayo. Yon, diba? And of course, yung pouch niya, ito guys. Ito yung laman niya. Yon, diba? So, ito, some stickers from MOZA Mini S. So, yun lang guys, yun lang yung laman niya. And of course, mga paperwork, some mga warranties, I think, and some instruction manual kung paano gamitin. So, we'll check this out later guys. And, yun. So, yun lang yung laman niya guys. sobrang excited ako talaga guys to open this. So yun, I'm sharing this video to you guys. So if gusto nyo magbili for yourself guys, this is available in Lazada. I'll post the link to Lazada guys. It's below in my description. So I bought this for 2,950 and mabilis naman yung delivery guys. Maybe mga 3 days andyan na siya, di ba? And yun guys, so excited tayo gamitin guys kung paano to gagamitin, di ba? Itong gimbal MOZA Mini S. So yun, so pakita ko lang guys, ito siya ng malapitan. Yun, so may mga buttons siya guys. Ito, I believe this is the wheel button. So may mga options siya guys. So meron din siya sa ito mid button, maybe to change sa mga settings ng gimbal. So you have to install, yung nabasa ko guys is yung Genie, something MOZA Genie, for you to start using the gimbal in your phone. Yon. So yon, and of course this is the joystick. Ayan. So I believe this is for yung pag-control nung head mismo, di ba? To the left, to the right, ganon. Yon. And paano ba ito buksan? Yan. So may lock siya guys. Ito dito. So I think we have to slide this to the side. Yon. And paano ba to? Baka masira. Yon. So i-rotate lang pala siya guys. Yon. So nakatayo na si gimbal. Yon. And of course dito, paano ba to? Yun. So yun guys, ilalagay lang yung phone. I believe ilalagay lang yung phone and we can start using this. So try natin mamaya guys. So maybe I'll show some clips guys yung pag na-set up ko na siya and I'll post it, di ba? So ito yung laman niya guys. I-line up ko lang siya for the video taking. Yun. So yan. Saan na ba yun? So the gimbal, the tripod, and the cables and the pouch. So that's it for my video for today guys. Just simply unboxing of this MOZA Mini S, di ba? So in my upcoming videos guys, I'll show you if I already know how to use it guys. So maybe I'll show you mga how-tos, some tricks of using this gimbal. So this is my first time of owning a gimbal guys ha. So hindi pa ako masyadong familiar. Yon. So yun guys, thank you for watching my video guys. My name again is PJ, and of course if you have learned something new for today guys ha, simply unboxing, please comment down below guys if you have any tips to share, anything to say about itong MOZA Mini S. And of course guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it guys. And of course connect in my social media guys, so it's in my description below. So connect in my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So I would love to communicate and talk with you guys. So please message me up or comment down below guys. And of course subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, and I'll see you again in my next videos. Yon. So see you again next time. So ito na guys, nakabit ko na yung phone ko, nalagay ko na sa gimbal, and yung stand tripod niya rin guys na lagay ko na. So as you can see, nakatayo na si MOZA Mini S. Yun. So ito guys, I'll take some video of the MOZA Mini S. Madali lang pala siya ikabit guys. Actually, similar with the tripod. So you just clip it on, slide it on lang guys, ganun lang. So we'll just play with the buttons guys. Hindi talaga ako familiar with the gimbal, so we'll just try to press the buttons and find out what it does. So ito, what does this button do? So yun, turned off and then on again, and doing some I don't know. It's like dead and then it's alive again. So yeah, I'll have to be familiar with this gimbal, guys. So I'll just watch some videos, tutorial videos about using gimbal, and maybe I will teach you also, guys, if familiar na ako sa paggamit ng itong klaseng gimbal na ito, guys. So watch out for it. So maybe soon. So as for now, ito muna, guys. Just pressing the buttons here. So here, ito yung favorite ko na buttons. Ano pa naman? Ito joystick, and ito joystick. Try natin yung joystick. Yon, nagbo-move siya left, right, and of course yon, down, up, yon, ikot ulit. So gano'n lang, guys. So I think this is very useful, especially if you want some to capture some great scenes, kumbaga mga sceneries, gano'n, with some smooth, parang smooth yung flow nung nung video nyo, kumbaga. So I guess that's it, guys, for my unboxing of MOZA Mini S. Yon.